In the news, Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM, saw an increase of 8.7%. TSMC's Q3 earnings beat expectations, driven by strong AI demand. The Taiwanese chipmaker's net income surged 54% to $10.1 billion, and revenue grew 36%. TSMC raised its full-year capex forecast to over $30 billion, indicating continued investments in manufacturing capacity to meet the growing demand for advanced chips. Despite ASML's weaker-than-expected outlook, TSMC remains optimistic about the long-term growth of AI technology. Shares surged 8.2% in pre-market trading. Expedia Group Inc. and Uber saw changes in their stock prices. Expedia shares surged 5.08% on news that Uber is considering a potential acquisition. The ride-hailing app's interest is driven by the opportunity to create a super app offering rides, deliveries, and travel booking. While no formal negotiations are underway, Expedia's recent improvements under new CEO Ariane Gorin make it an attractive target. The deal could be a win-win for both companies, expanding their reach and offerings. Investors are closely watching this developing situation as it could significantly impact both Expedia and Uber's stock prices. Uber's stock, however, dropped 3.96%. Meta Platforms Inc., Meta, saw an increase of 0.63%. Meta's recent layoffs and restructuring are part of its ongoing cost-cutting efforts. Despite these changes, the company's shares have surged over 60% this year, driven by strong Q2 results and a positive Q3 outlook. Meta's focus on efficiency and robust digital ad spending positions it well for future growth. While the company has faced criticism for its handling of user data and content moderation, its strong financial performance and innovative products continue to drive its success. Lucid Group, ticker symbol LCID, saw a significant drop of 17.68%. The company's shares plunged over 10% in after-hours trading following the announcement of a public offering and private placement. The EV startup plans to raise funds for general corporate purposes, including expanding its product line. While the company has faced challenges with higher costs, slower than expected EV demand and marketing issues, the recent investments from the Public Investment Fund provide some support. Investors are closely watching Lucid's ability to execute its growth strategy and improve its financial performance. Intel Corp INTC is up 1.21%, trading slightly higher with chip names despite a story that a Chinese trade association has recommended a security review of Intel products, alleging that the U.S. chipmaker poses national security risks. The association claims Intel's CPU chips have vulnerabilities and accuses the company of using remote management features for surveillance while neglecting reported defects. This review comes amid growing U.S.-China tensions over chip controls and AI leadership. Intel, which relies on China for 27.4% of its 2023 revenue, faces additional pressure as it struggles with declining stock value due to poor earnings and job cuts. Chinese stocks are down 2.50%. China's government is taking steps to stabilize its struggling property market. The Ministry of Housing and Urban-Rural Development announced plans to provide CNY 4 trillion in credit support to eligible housing projects, along with measures to ease purchase restrictions, ensure timely deliveries, and reduce mortgage rates. These initiatives aim to boost market confidence, support troubled developers, and prevent further deterioration. While the announcement lifted China's benchmark index, the Hang Seng Properties Index declined, suggesting that investors may remain cautious about the market's outlook. BABA, PDD, Bidu, JD, LI, XPEV, NEO, ZK, Futu, Bili, Queb, FXI. Robinhood Markets Inc., Hood, is trading back to flat, up 0.07% after gapping up following the launch of its desktop trading platform, Robinhood Legend, aimed at active traders. It offers advanced tools, real-time data, and customizable layouts. In addition, the mobile app now supports futures and index options trading, allowing users to trade contracts on assets like the S&P 500, oil, and Bitcoin. Premium subscribers in the Gold tier can trade futures at lower fees, 50 cents per contract, while non-Gold users will pay 75 cents per trade. This move targets market share from traditional brokerages. Nixie Inc. (NIX) is up 255.90%. Small cap runner Nixie is actively pursuing a growth strategy focused on acquiring established businesses in industries poised for digital transformation. The company seeks businesses with strong financials and is leveraging advanced AI technology to improve operations and efficiencies. Nixie aims to achieve an enterprise value of over $1 billion within the next 36 months, driven by strategic acquisitions and operational transformation. With its focus on data-driven insights and innovative technology, Nixie is positioning itself for potential future growth in the digital economy.